where did we say you're gonna wear that to?
Disney.
So where do you think we're going? We're going to Disney.
You're going to Disney World right now.
We're going to Disney right now. Yes. We are. Disney. Here we come. Woo! Yes, we are.
Straight from Alvin, Texas.
Camila se va a
Straight from
quedar
Melbourne
con
to Disney.
madrina.
That's the best recording.
Está enojada y se
Ma, déjala.
Sí. We're going to Disney.
That's your surprise.
Okay, okay, open that. Fíjate allá atrás que llevas. Oh, abre la cajita. So you can, ahí, y asómate que hay adentro.
Where?
Ahí, la little door.
Ya te acabaste toda la memoria.
¿Qué está adentro?
Luggage.
Luggage? So what does that mean?
Now you're going to Mexico.
¿A dónde vas?
Disney.
Yeah.
Entonces, ¿te quieres
But I
quedar
keep
con
telling
Daniela?
you, Hawaii.
Camila, really?
Entonces, ¿te quieres quedar con
No quiere ir.
Daniela? ¿Ya ves?
Bueno, so the Disney trip is canceled. Camila no quiere ir.
I'm just kidding.
Are you happy?
Quedar con su madrina,
After
no quiere ir.
Disney.
No, Camila.